Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex and I'm working on the 560 SAC. Let me show you what I've been up to until this moment. Most of you who know me by now know that I wander off my original goal. Meanwhile, I was also busy with getting another front bumper. I have this Type 2 front bumper from the SAC, European style. It's complete, but it has this. At some point of time it had a collision, so I have to repair that. I hate this. Also had some repairs on the inner bumper. It had some cracks in the fiberglass. Also collected the chrome parts. That was really difficult. But with the help of two friends, I managed to get the center part of the bumper. That was really hard to get. It isn't available on the whole planet. Even if you have the money you want to pay, it just isn't there. So I'm very lucky with that. Also, all the small parts I repainted. I have 3 chrome parts, but the 4th one was really ugly, so that's the only part I'm missing. All the small parts I have complete, but they were all rusted, so that's cooking with current, so it's nice and bubbling. When it's done, I repaint this. The plastic from the outer bumper seems to be the biggest problem to restore. Here we see attempts from older restorations, but they seem to have abandoned the project because maybe in that time it was easier to just get another bumper. But in this time we don't have much of a choice anymore, and we have to work with what we have. The same goes for me. So I have to make some reinforcements over here because it wants to go its own way. There's some cracks here. A bigger one over here. So you see the shape of the bumper is even different. Usually all these got broken, but with this one it's only 3. So I'm pleased with that. Now we just continue to restore this. Okay, so the front bumper has been repaired. All the little dings and scratches. Also the enormous crack that was here because the bumper was split in half. So that's all repaired. And now it's in the epoxy primer, sanded down so it's all smooth. Now I can prime it again and then paint. And of course the differential is on, filled up with oil, ready to go. So the next thing to do is to remove the drive shaft. But first I have to remove the remain of the exhaust. Situated here. And then this part, so it's easier to work. Every part that comes off the car, it needs to be cleaned. So this is the aluminum protection for the drive shaft. These are the parts that sits on the driver's side because of the exhaust. The American version only have exhaust on the left side. So also this aluminum, but it's not there on the right side. So I had to search for that, but now it's complete. Also the brackets for two sides, because it has the 3i system now, so it needs two of those. Now you can clearly see how dirty the underside of the car is because of all the oil spillage. It's red oil, so it's hydraulic fluid. So there must be some leak on the front because it spreads out to the back. Now you can see the drive shaft is visible. Now can I remove that? Here you can see the heat shields only on the left side, and it's not there on the driver's side. I'm sorry I'm not that consistent in doing my job. I tend to do all kinds of different things along the way. So this part was only the underside of the car and fixing the front bumper at the same time. The next video it will be more of the same, because I concentrate more on the rear bumper. It also needs some work, and meanwhile I just pull off some more parts from the underside. If you like me crawling on the floor more, please like and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, thank you for watching. Bye.